What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm in Pune, and this place is all a hill station. So you know, the hills and all is okay, but I wanted to start with something, insane. And something insane in hill stations can be a waterfall. But since it's a low effort video, so I thought if I can find a waterfall somewhere near to my place. So I have my friend here, and he is saying that he know a spot. It's a place near to us, and he's saying that he know a spot, and this spot has a small waterfall. But what I'm saying, big or small waterfall is a waterfall, right?
Right, yes.
Yeah. So we are just on top of a hill. I'm gonna show you the view and all, and we are gonna find the waterfall, which will be somewhere nearby. Where is it?
It's around 2 kilometers from here.
Yeah. So I thought we will stop here, and we will enjoy the hills and the view a little bit, and after that we can go and find the waterfall and enjoy the waterfall. So in my low effort video, I'm gonna give you guys high effort by showing you a waterfall, which will be amazing. Guys, I'm so fucking tired now. It's been half an hour. We are searching for this mother flower, but I don't know where is it. Dude, you're gonna be tortured so badly if anything happened wrong.
Yeah.
Where is it?
We'll go a little far. We'll check if there is any waterfall or not.
I don't know what the fuck is this, man. But it's okay. We are gonna find the waterfall. Okay. Till then, you can enjoy this awesome view. It's still awesome. We are on hills. Maybe it's common for us because it's nearby and we come so often. But it's not for you guys. You guys, there must be some people who are not living in such places. For them, it's a new thing. So you guys can enjoy this view as well, and I'll be right back, and we are gonna find the waterfall as well. Stay tuned. Guys, but you should not be worried, okay? We are trying our best to find this waterfall in this video only, but if we couldn't find, our next trip will be straight to the real waterfall. It's gonna be in Taminigat or Devkund and all. It's gonna be a real waterfall. We don't need to find it out. It will be just visible. I'm so dumb. I trusted this idiot this time, and I'm promising you guys, if we couldn't find the waterfall, this guy is gonna be punished. This guy is gonna be punished so badly. And as you all know, our Sunu Chaudhary is always ready to punish and torture.
You guys mean it, kya?
Of course we do. Are you
Look
are
at
you
my
looking
face
are you are
and
we
tell me that I'm joking.
are we looking idiots to you?
Of course. I mean, no, of course not.
Cut this, okay? Yes, you.
क्या हुआ? What happened?
Where's the fucking waterfall?
अरे यही तो है.
Seriously.
हाँ.
चूतिया भी है क्या?
इतना खूबसूरत तो है, देखो.
कहाँ है waterfall? चूतिया काटा हमारा. कहाँ है waterfall? I have a lot of people watching. I have a lot of people watching. I've promised them an insane video. I've promised them a waterfall. What the fuck is this?
How many people?
50-60 लोग. Whatever. 50-60 लोग तो है.
देखो व्यू, देखो व्यू, देखो व्यू तो देखो.
What the fuck am I gonna do now?
व्यू देखो कितना अच्छा है. तुम खुश नहीं हो?
Guys, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but you know. Guys, it's the waterfall. This idiot got us in, and I don't know what to say. But you know, it's still a waterfall. It's still a waterfall. I can prove it. It's still a waterfall. I've promised an insane video, and it's gonna be an insane video, and I'm gonna show you the waterfall. You guys just don't worry. I'm gonna deliver what I had told, okay? And we told in the beginning only. Small or big, a waterfall is a waterfall. Yeah. So you guys can just see, it's water. It's water and it's falling. So it's a waterfall. Yeah. So as I just told in the beginning, guys, I'm gonna show you a waterfall. It's gonna be an insane video, and it became an insane video. I've showed you a waterfall. It's water and it's falling. Not even one.
There are two.
There are two.
Yeah,
There are two. I
exactly.
promised one. I delivered two. You know, it's the first waterfall. Water is falling, so it's a waterfall. And I'm gonna show you the second one now. It's the second waterfall. Where is the fucking water? I'm gonna go. So guys, it's the second waterfall. The water is falling. I just promised you a waterfall. Guess
I
what?
promised you a waterfall, please.
I'm gonna see.
Okay.
देखते हैं तुम्हारे साथ.
And my friend was not lying at all.
देखते हैं तुम्हारे साथ. Guys, still I thought it's gonna be a big waterfall. No matter what, I made it a waterfall, but this guy is gonna be punished. In next fucking video, we are gonna go to a big waterfall, which will feel like a waterfall. It's still feeling like a waterfall, but that the waterfall you're fantasizing about. We are gonna go in that type of waterfall, but right now, please adjust with these two. Yeah, adjust with these two. And as I told, I'm gonna deliver more than I told. I'm gonna deliver more than I told. I told you guys one waterfall. I delivered two waterfalls. And guess what? I'm gonna show you a lake as well. And I'm gonna show you the waterfall. So it was something extra for you guys. Just enjoy it. Enjoy the fucking view of a lake and the waterfalls. It doesn't matter if the waterfalls were small or big. It doesn't matter for now. We just told in the beginning. We just told in the beginning it's a waterfall. So it was just a small demo of a waterfall, which I'm gonna go and I'm gonna make a video for there for you guys. See just the amount of high efforts I'm putting. So in the beginning only I told that this vlog is gonna be a low effort vlog, a low effort video. So a low effort waterfall was presented to you guys. So next time it's gonna be a high effort video, and the waterfall is gonna be big, and the waterfall is gonna be more beautiful than that. And till then, peace out.